Hello, faculty. My name is Eric Werner, and I'm the Director of Squads Abroad, an international development nonprofit organization with 20 years experience connecting high school business classes to small business clients in our partner communities around the world. I would love to invite your class to participate in our entrepreneurship, marketing, or finance programs designed for aspiring business students to build knowledge and skills through consultations and virtual workshops with our professional consultants and real-world business owners in Panama. With the support and guidance of our local teams, your students will deliver business plans, marketing kits, or financial statements to underserved international business clients. Plus, they will get invaluable cross-cultural experience working with communities and cultures from around the world. Please schedule a call with me and we can discuss how to customize this program to meet your class needs. Thank you and hope to talk to you soon.